If you want to convert images to JPEG, I use an app called ConvertSave that I created with my brother. It's a file converter for Mac and Windows. It actually converts everything offline, so no more weird, sketchy websites. So whatever your image might be, maybe it's like an HEIC photo, or maybe you've got a PNG or any other image file type, you can drag them into ConvertSave, select your output, so we could do JPEG right here, and hit Convert. It's going to save those files, those JPEGs, next to wherever your original images came from. Saves the PNG here right next to, or saves the JPEG here right next to the PNG, and over here, that HEIC was converted to a JPEG as well. And so this works with many different image formats. You can see that there's like different versions of JPEG, WebP, GIF, I call it GIF, not GIF, BMP, etc. Lots of different formats here. And you can convert all of those to JPEG with just a quick drag and drop. So if you're sick of weird websites uploading your images, downloading only a couple at a time, ConvertSave actually converts hundreds or thousands of images from wherever on your computer. There's a link in the description down below where you can go check it out. Thanks for your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.